Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. From today, we are going to start a new topic, multiplication. Objectives: to identify the multiplication symbol, to learn words such as times, makes in order to describe multiplication. Let's see few examples. Each of these plates have 3 biscuits, so I am adding the same number twice, 3 plus 3. Each of these plates have 4 biscuits, so I am adding the same number twice, 4 plus 4. Let's see one more example. Each of these groups have 5 cherries, so I am adding the same number twice, 5 plus 5. This is called repeated addition because we are adding the same number or groups repeatedly. Multiplication is another way to add equal groups. So, when we see an addition problem with equal groups like 3 plus 3, we can also think of it as a multiplication problem. We have 3 equal groups of 2, so 3 times 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2. So today we are going to practice using repeated addition as a strategy of multiplication. The repeated addition of the same number is called the multiplication. Hence, repeated addition of 2 5 times is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. This is the symbol of multiplication. Children, now we are going to see the different ways of representing 4 groups of 3 blocks. Children, look at these 4 children. Each of them have represented the same number in different ways. Let's read what they have done. Look at this first boy. He noted the number of groups using blocks. This girl noted them by using the addition symbol. Look at this third one. She noted them by writing in words. And the fourth boy noted them by using the multiplication symbol. Here we use 4 ways to represent the number of groups. Children, how did the boy represent 4 groups of 3 blocks? He used blocks to represent 4 groups of 3 blocks. How did the girl represent 4 groups of 3 blocks? She used addition symbol. In what other way did the girl represent 4 groups of 3 blocks? She represented as 4 times 3 blocks or 4 groups of 3 blocks. How did the second boy represent 4 groups of 3 blocks? He used multiplication symbol. Children, what do you think? Which method is easy and fast? Are symbols easier to use than words? Yes, symbols are easier to use than words. So children, repeated addition of the same number is called the multiplication. Now children, open page number 113. You learn to add groups using times and the symbol of multiplication. Let's see the following symbols. This is the symbol of addition. This is the symbol of subtraction, and this is the symbol of multiplication. Now, look at the following pictures and complete the statements. Look at this picture. There are 3 octopuses. Each of them has legs. We will count how many legs each octopus have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 legs. How many legs do the 3 octopuses have altogether? Children, solve these questions with me. So here we need to add 8 3 times. So write here 8 plus 8 plus 8. If we add these 3 8s together, then we will get the answer 24. In other way, we can write this 3 times 8. Then also we will get the answer 24. Or we can write this as 3 multiplied by 8. So here also we get the answer 24. So this is the statement. All these are statements. See question B. There are clowns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5. Each of them has stars. So count the number of stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each of them has 4 stars. How many stars do 5 clowns have altogether? So we need to add here this 4 5 times. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So if we add this 4, then we will get the answer 20. Or we can say 5 times 4 is equal to 20, or 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. Open page number 114, question number C. There are plates. 1, 2, 3. So write here, there are 3 plates. Each of them has biscuits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each of them has 5 biscuits. How many biscuits do the 3 plates have altogether? So here we need to add this 5 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15, or 3 times 5 is equal to 15, or 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. So children, these are the 3 statements for these questions. Like this statement, you have to write for question number B, practice at home. Question number 2. Write an addition and a multiplication fact for the following pictures. One example has been done for you. This is the solved example. We have to follow this, and then like this we need to solve question B and C. Question B. First see how many groups are here. So here are 1, 2, 3 groups, and each group have 4 cups. So we need to add 4 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. And in the multiplication fact, it will come 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. So this is addition fact. and this is multiplication fact. Page number 116 and solve this page with me. Draw the images and solve the following story sums. Complete the statements as well. There are 5 hens. Each hen lays 3 eggs. How many eggs are there in all? There are 5 hens. Each hen lays 3 eggs. So add 3 5 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So the answer is 15. This is in addition fact, and in multiplication fact 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. Let's see next question. Prashant has 3 boxes of color pencils. Each box has 4 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? The question is draw the images and then solve the sum. So first we need to draw pencils. So here 3 boxes are and each box has 4 pencils. So we need to draw here 4 pencils in each box. So children, you can use here color sketch pens, and in this way draw 4 pencils in each box. So these 4 pencils we need to add 3 times. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12, or 3 multiply by 4, 3 because here are 3 boxes and each box is having 4 pencils. So 3 multiply by 4 is equal to 12. So in this way solve question number 3 in your textbook. See page number 117, question number 4. Raman has 5 pastries. Each pastry has 2 cherries. How many cherries are there in all? So here 2 cherries and 5 pastries. So add 2 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So if we add these 2 5 times, then 10 is the answer, or if we multiply these 5 pastries with 2 cherries, then the answer is 10. Next, Ayushi loves to play cricket. She has 4 packs of cricket balls. Each pack has 3 balls in it. Find out the number of balls Ayushi has. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 packets are here, and each packet is having 3 balls. So add 3 balls 4 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12, or these 4 packets means 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So in this way solve question number 6 in your textbook, and the next question practice at home is for homework. You have to solve these questions in your maths notebook. For these 4 questions you have to write like this addition and multiplication facts.
Look at this chart of tables. This chart will help you to learn the tables. So make this kind of chart and paste it anywhere at your home. Read this chart every day loudly. You can take any size of blank paper, draw this kind of similar boxes on it, then write tables of 2 to 10 on it. You can use different color pens.